So today I want to quickly highlight 5 really cool products for your car that's going to make the experience of driving that much better.
Mr. Black.
And also, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. And if you like gadgets and gear and all that stuff, hit that subscribe button and the like button. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. You can find it all down there nice and easily. And let's get right to it. The first one is a car charger from Joy Room, which is brilliant because you have your car charger that also has your USB-C, which is 3 amps, and a 2.4 amp USB-A port. And it gives you 2 retractable cords. One is Lightning and one is USB-C, which kind of has you covered in case somebody forgets their cord. And it stretches out very far as well, but we can retract it right back to it. And it works, it does a great job, and also keeps your car a lot more tidy. You don't have cables hanging around everywhere because you have them right there and that's retractable. Which also brings me to the second one on this list, and this one also comes in from Joy Room. I've actually been using this for like 3 years now. This is a vent clip charger, which is MagSafe compatible, and all you have to do is clip this on the vent. It has a really tight grasp clip right there. It sits on your vent, and you plug in your USB-C at the bottom, and now you have a MagSafe charger. So all you have to do when you get in your car is put your phone on the MagSafe, and then that will keep it charged up. You don't have to fumble around for any cords, and that pairs really, really perfectly with that Joy Room charger because then you have that retractable cord that goes right up to it. No big mess of cables just hanging around everywhere. It keeps it really nice and tidy. And then when you get out of the car, you just take your phone off. Simple as that. That also works really good if you're using the phone for directions, vertical or horizontal. You can just flip your phone either way. But maybe you're not a big fan of the vent clip. Maybe that just makes your vent sag, and I've seen that happen before. I just want to share with you an alternative here, and this comes in from eSam Core. This is a very strong and adjustable adhesive Velcro mount with MagSafe on the bottom. This is very simple and will work with just about any car out there. You're gonna put the adhesive on your dash, and you can contort this thing to your dash exactly how you need it. And then you can just put your phone on there with MagSafe. If you don't have a MagSafe compatible case or phone, it does come with one of those adhesive rings that you can pop on the back of your phone. But that makes it so much easier to have your phone sitting anywhere you want on the dash and not blocking your vent, which can be annoying. I get that. Now, another thing that's really cool is if you use Alexa at home, which we do. Our whole house is just Alexa based, but they have an Alexa for your car, and you just plug this thing in. It has a little adhesive magnet attachment where you can set this anywhere. It has a speaker on there and a microphone, and you can mute it, or you can press the button to talk to Alexa, or just say, Alexa, find a gas station.
I found a few ones.
Alexa, play music.
Sure.
And then you can do anything that you do with Alexa at home, whether you're turning on lights, whether you're checking notifications, whether you're adding things to your grocery list or ideas list, or just chatting with it and finding out things. And speaking of Alexa, this one will actually change your life. Alexa, close the garage. This comes in from Miros, and it's a smart garage door opener, or closer in this case. And it works with Alexa, Apple, and Google. It's so easy to install. You plug it in, you hook it up to your garage door, and then you run a wire over to the side where you have sensors so it knows if it's open or closed. But also it has notifications. So if you leave your garage door open for like 15 minutes or more, it'll give you a notification saying that it's still open, and then you can close it right there. Or maybe you left for work and you're like, did I close the garage? I don't remember. Just go on the app and you can see if it's open or closed, and you can close it. We've been using this for like 3 years now, and probably the gadget that we use most in this house. And yes, that's a lot of hula hoops over there, don't ask. And last but not least is this one. This is a dash cam with 5 cameras. It gets a 4K image on the front. You have your back camera, 2 side cameras that are fully adjustable, and a baby monitor or like backseat camera. You can put that camera anywhere you need to see something else in your car. It works great in daytime and nighttime. The footage looks awesome. It's got GPS, collision detection, night vision, looping video. It's even voice activated, so I could say, show front camera. That's pretty cool. It's easy to navigate the menu, and you can press the buttons to get different views on it and see different things. And then it saves it all to an SD card. You can also access it with your phone and app. You know what? I'm gonna save this for a future video coming up and just tell you all about it there, because there's a lot going on in this camera, but I will put a link to that and everything else down in the description so you can find it down there. If you're like, why are you in the other side of the car? I actually live in Australia, if you didn't know that. And we drive on the other side of the car and the other side of the road. It's a bit weird, but you know, I'm used to it. But thank you so much for watching. If you want to see some other really cool top 5 product videos, I'll have them up on the screen. You can click one of those and I'll head off and get going, but not while I'm holding the camera. So click one of those videos. All right, let's just do autoplay.